In this tutorial, I will demonstrate a process of creating realistic-looking models of footwear. We will start from creating a blockout, proceed with sculpting details. I will cover a full process of texture creation and will do a realistic high-end render image of the shoe. After viewing this tutorial course, you will learn a pipeline of making a realistic model of footwear from scratch to final image. You will be introduced to basic workflow with such programs as 3D Max, ZBrush, Substance Painter, V-Ray. I will talk about difficulties that an artist may face during such work and how to get through them. You will also get an understanding of how to utilize lights and set up a scene in 3D Max for V-Ray. Although this tutorial was designed for beginners, it is recommended that you should have some base knowledge of interface of such programs as 3D Max, ZBrush, and their main features.